today we have our vintage Mercedes-Benz. This is a 1993 Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5. Every now and again we decide that with this being an older car, we want to clean our fuel injectors. So we found this product here, Lucas upper cylinder lubrication, ignition cleaners, injection cleaners. That's what we're doing. We're cleaning our injectors, okay? And this product we know makes a big difference. So, and it's very simple to put in. Take off our gas cap, okay? We open our cleaner. We put it right in this hole, and voila. Remember how to install Lucas injector cleaner in your car to clean your fuel injectors out. Okay? That's very important when you have a car, a vintage car from 1993, older, or even a new car. You want to do this to your car. It makes a difference in your gas mileage too, as well when you use the bottle. And you should do this every 2 or 3 months. That's it.